The mirror is more than just glass and silver. It's a silent observer, reflecting not only our faces but also our deepest insecurities and hopes. Each morning, as we stand before it, we're confronted with a version of ourselves that sometimes feels unfamiliar. It often reveals a story we'd rather not face. A story written in the subtle changes we notice day by day. I saw it in my patients. Fine lines mapping their eyes, dullness stealing their glow. These weren't just signs of aging, but reminders of time's gentle, relentless touch. Their skin felt tight, thirsty, and tired, even after a full night's rest. The fatigue seemed to linger, etched into their features. Dark spots lingered as reminders of sun damage, and rough texture replaced youthful smoothness. Each blemish told a story of days spent outdoors, of laughter and sunlight, now marked on their skin. The light in their complexion seemed dimmed, leaving them feeling disconnected from their vibrant selves. It was as if their inner radiance had faded, hidden beneath layers of stress and time. Many tried expensive creams and complicated routines, only to be left with disappointment. The promises on the packaging rarely matched the reality in the mirror. The daily battle against dryness and wrinkles chipped away at their confidence. Each new product brought hope, but often ended in frustration. I witnessed this struggle over and over, a sense of not recognizing the person in the mirror. The disconnect grew, making it harder to feel comfortable in their own skin. The frustration was real, and the desire for a solution was powerful. They longed for something that would restore not just their skin, but their confidence and sense of self. But what if the answer wasn't in a fancy jar? What if the solution was simpler than we ever imagined? What if the secret to youthful skin was simple, natural, and right at home? Sometimes the most effective remedies are the ones we overlook every day. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are hiding in plain sight, waiting for us to rediscover them and embrace a new kind of beauty. Imagine waking up to skin that feels soft, smooth, and glowing. The mirror reflects a brighter, more vibrant you. Fine lines softened, skin plump and hydrated. This isn't a fantasy, it's the transformation that happens when we turn to nature. The secret, the humble banana. This everyday fruit holds a powerful key to radiant skin, a secret passed down for generations. Rediscovering natural ingredients like banana brings joy and confidence. When your skin looks healthy, you feel ready to face the world. Holistic beauty is about nourishing yourself inside and out. The banana is affordable, accessible, and incredibly effective. It's time to discover the amazing secret to youthful skin waiting in your kitchen. Sometimes, the simplest things make the biggest difference. Why is the banana a skincare superstar? It's packed with nutrients your skin loves. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, fighting off free radicals from pollution and sun exposure. Vitamin A helps heal dry skin and fade dark spots, encouraging renewal. Vitamin E protects from UV damage and locks in moisture. Potassium hydrates and plumps skin, reducing the look of fine lines. Bananas also contain gentle fruit acids that exfoliate and brighten. These elements combine to nourish, soften, and reveal fresher skin. The banana is a moisturizer, anti-aging cream, and brightening serum in one. Nature truly provides everything we need. With just one ingredient, you can transform your skin's texture and glow. It's a simple, natural solution that works. Sometimes, the best skincare comes straight from your fruit bowl. Let's see how to unlock its magic. You can boost the banana's benefits by mixing it with other kitchen staples. Raw honey draws moisture into your skin and fights bacteria. Plain yogurt contains lactic acid, gently exfoliating and tightening pores. Yogurt's probiotics calm inflammation and balance your skin. A pinch of turmeric adds anti-inflammatory and brightening power, helping fade dark spots. Aloe vera soothes, hydrates, and calms sensitive or sun-exposed skin. Together, these ingredients create a mask that hydrates, brightens, soothes, and fights aging. It's a superfood facial you can make at home. Simple ingredients, powerful results. You become your own skincare alchemist. Nature's remedies are often the most effective. Let's mix up this magic. Making this face mask at home is not only easy and rewarding, but it also allows you to take control of what you put on your skin. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a nourishing treatment that feels luxurious and fresh. Start by gathering half a ripe banana, a teaspoon of raw honey, a tablespoon of plain yogurt, a pinch of turmeric, and a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. These ingredients are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and soothing properties that your skin will love. In a clean bowl, mash the banana thoroughly until it's completely smooth and free of lumps. The smoother the banana, the easier it will be to blend with the other ingredients and apply evenly to your skin. Next, add the honey yogurt, turmeric and aloe vera gel to the mashed banana. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits. Honey is naturally antibacterial, yogurt gently exfoliates, turmeric brightens, and aloe vera soothes. Mix everything together until you have a creamy, uniform paste. Take your time to ensure all the ingredients are well combined, creating a silky texture that's easy to spread. The finished mask should be smooth, rich, and easy to apply. If it feels too thick, you can add a tiny bit more yogurt or aloe vera gel to reach your desired consistency. For best results, use the mask immediately after mixing. This ensures maximum freshness and potency, so your skin can soak up all the natural goodness. Avoid storing any leftovers, as the banana will quickly oxidize and lose its beneficial properties. It's best to make just enough for one use. This quick ritual is more than just skincare. It's a simple act of self-care that helps you reconnect with yourself, even on the busiest days. By preparing this mask with your own hands, you're creating a pure, nourishing treatment that's free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances. Take a moment to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy the process. This is your time to do something good for yourself and your skin. The act of making and applying the mask is as soothing and calming as the mask itself. Let yourself enjoy every step. Embrace the simplicity of this routine and notice the healthy glow it brings to your skin. Your skin will thank you for this gentle, homemade treat. Now, let's get ready to apply it and enjoy the results. Begin by thoroughly cleansing your face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. This step ensures your skin is fresh and ready to absorb all the nourishing benefits of your mask. After washing, pat your face dry with a soft towel, being careful not to rub or irritate your skin. Next, scoop a small amount of your mask onto your fingertips or use a soft brush for a more spa-like experience. Gently apply the mask in an even layer across your face, taking care to avoid the delicate areas around your eyes and mouth. Smooth the mask outward, ensuring every part of your skin is covered. Extend the mask down to your neck and décolletage. These areas are often overlooked but deserve just as much care as your face. Applying the mask here helps maintain a youthful, radiant look all over. Don't be shy. Apply a generous, even layer of the mask. The coolness will instantly soothe your skin, providing a calming sensation that helps you unwind. Now find a comfortable spot to relax. Lie back, close your eyes, and let the mask work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. This is your time to pause and recharge. While you wait, take advantage of this moment to unwind. Listen to your favorite music, meditate, or simply practice deep breathing. Let your mind and body relax as your skin is pampered. As the mask dries, you may notice a gentle tightening sensation. This is completely normal, and means the mask is setting and drawing out impurities from your skin. After 15 to 20 minutes, it's time to rinse. Use lukewarm water, and gently massage your skin in small circles as you remove the mask. This not only cleanses, but also provides gentle exfoliation, leaving your skin extra smooth. Once your face is clean, pat it dry with a soft, clean towel. Avoid rubbing, as your skin is now fresh and sensitive. To finish, apply your favorite moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. This helps lock in hydration and keeps your skin feeling soft and supple. You'll notice your skin feels refreshed, renewed, and has a healthy, radiant glow. This simple ritual is quick, easy, and deeply nourishing. Perfect for busy days or when you need a little self-care. Make this mask a regular part of your skincare routine. With consistent use, you'll enjoy lasting results and a natural, beautiful glow. Remember, self-care doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest rituals bring the most joy and confidence. This banana mask is more than skincare. It's a ritual of self-care. Transform your bathroom into a spa. Light a candle, dim the lights, put on a cozy robe. These small touches make the experience special. Dedicate this time to yourself. You deserve it. Many people make this their weekly reset, a moment to recharge. Mixing the mask by hand and feeling its texture grounds you in the present. It's a mindful practice that restores both body and mind. The emotional boost is real. Self-care sends a message. I matter. Confidence grows from these small acts of love. The glow on your skin is matched by an inner sense of peace. Beauty is about nurturing who you are right now. This ritual is a reminder to care for yourself, inside and out. Let your self-care shine through. The results are visible after just one use. Skin feels soft, hydrated, and bright. Dullness fades, suppleness returns, and your complexion glows. With regular use, the transformation deepens. Dark spots fade, skin tone evens, and fine lines soften. One patient used this mask twice a week. After 2 months, her skin looked years younger. But the real change was her confidence. She wore less makeup and smiled more. Healthy skin isn't about vanity, it's about feeling good in your own skin. Natural skincare delivers real, lasting results. You don't need expensive products for radiant skin. Simple, consistent care makes all the difference. The most powerful solutions are often the simplest. Embrace your natural beauty. Let your skin and your confidence shine. The banana mask is just one piece of the puzzle. Radiant skin reflects overall health and well-being. Natural skincare works best with healthy habits. Hydrate, eat well, and sleep enough. Consistency is key. Use the mask weekly for lasting results. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. Nourish your body from within with fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. What you put inside matters as much as what you put on your skin. Manage stress, meditate, walk, connect with loved ones, or enjoy a hobby. Your emotional state shows on your skin. A happy heart and calm mind create a radiant complexion. True beauty is a reflection of self-love and healthy living. Commit to yourself, inside and out. This is the real path to lifelong glow.